Hello friends, today's topic is high beta stocks more profitable? Question mark. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society. Beta is a very important concept to know for short-term trading. Beta is a numeric value that measures the fluctuations of a stock to the changes in the overall stock market or index such as Nifty or Sensex. Beta less than 1, the stock is less volatile than the index. Beta is equal to 1, the stock is at par with the index. Beta more than 1, the stock is more volatile than the index. Beta of market index and effect on individual stocks. Assuming that the index goes up by 10%, beta of a stock 0.5, Nifty changes 10%, stocks change 5. Beta of a stock is 1, Nifty change 10%, stock change 10%. Beta of a stock 1.5, Nifty change 10, stock changes 15. And then beta of a stock minus 0.5, Nifty change 10 and the stock goes minus 5. Where to find beta? In moneycontrol.com, beta is one of the primary information about a stock. Following is info about Titan company, and we have made a red cross or a red mark around beta 0.74, and that is belonging to Titan. To make short-term profits, we need stocks to be very volatile and move fast. So using technical indicators to know when to buy and sell on high beta stocks is a good approach for short-term trading. Please note, beta can keep changing now and then based on the price movement of the stock. In fact, due to calculating beta differently, the beta will be mentioned. In fact, due to calculating beta differently, the beta value may be mentioned differently in different websites. However, generally, stocks with high beta will be quite common in all websites. Beta of some Nifty companies as of January 2024. Serial number 1 is Adani Enterprises. Beta is very high, 2.46. Adani Ports 1.64. Hindalco Industries 1.33. HDFC Bank 1.3. Infosys 1.29. SBI 1.26. Tata Steel 1.24. IndusInd Bank 1.18. Reliance Industries 1.17. Apart from the above stocks, some of the other stocks with high beta are M&M, Tata Motors, L&T, JSW Steel, Vedanta, etc. Generally, when using any technical analysis indicators for short-term trades, the profit is generally higher for companies with higher beta since they give quicker returns due to higher volatility. More about beta. Higher beta indicates higher risk and also higher returns. In a bearish market, one can incur huge losses, while in a bullish market, one can generate considerable wealth with high beta stocks. Beta of a stock changes with time and is based on historical data. It is not constant. Caution with beta. Beta does not guarantee future performance. Beta does not capture risks like factors in fundamental analysis like loans, losses, management issues, political factors, etc. For new stocks, beta may not be accurate due to the unavailability of adequate historic data. Generally, when using any technical analysis indicators for short-term trade, the profit is generally higher for companies with higher beta since they give quicker returns due to higher volatility. Now at the end of the video, here is a question. Do you use the concept of beta when doing short-term trades? Yes or no, you may type. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.